friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Hello Kitty as Pooh Bear. First we're going to get started on a diagonal on the top of our page for the bow, and we're going to start by drawing in a circle in the center. To the right of this on the diagonal now, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then back in towards the bottom. And then on the top left-hand side, replicating that, curving this line around, and then back in on the bottom again. Now on the side, we're going to curve this line around, and then in. And then we'll do the same thing as we move in towards the top. Now let's move down, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval for the head. So leaving a small gap here in the center, we're going to curve this line all the way around, and then in on the bottom. And then starting back on this line on the top, we're going to replicate that, curving this line back around, and then blending that in on the bottom line again. In the center for the nose, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then to the right of this, for the eye, we're going to draw in an oval straight down. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side again. Now we're going to draw in another oval in the top left-hand side. Now coming down in the middle, we're going to draw in a small circle. On both sides, we're going to curve this line over and out to the bottom of the face. On the right-hand side now, we're going to curve this line up and out, and then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Now from here, we're going to continue to curve this line around, and then in on the side. On the left-hand side now, we're going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the top. And then from this top line here, we're just going to again continue to curve this line around and then back in. On the top now for the right eye, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the bow. In the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then moving down in the middle, let's replicate that again for the highlight. Now for the left-hand side, we're going to draw in another oval. And then in the top left-hand side, we're just going to draw in another oval for the highlight. And then on the right-hand side, curving this line around and then in. For the ear on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line out, across, and then back in. And then moving in towards the middle, let's replicate that shape again, making that smaller. Now let's come underneath on both sides, and we're going to curve this line around and then in. Let's draw on the whiskers now. So on the right-hand side on the top, we're going to curve this line out. And then lining this up at the same height on the left-hand side, let's replicate that. Let's move down in towards the middle, replicating that again on both sides. And then again, one more time, we're just going to curve this line down. Now let's draw in the arms. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line down and then back in. And then moving over on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in, just leaving a small gap in the middle. In the center now, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then on the bottom, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. For the hand now, we're going to curve this line down, and we'll do this on both sides. And then moving up above, we're going to replicate that again one more time. Now let's draw in our feet. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Now from here, from the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the side. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side as well. Now from the side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again, we'll move over on the right-hand side and replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw Hello Kitty as Pooh Bear. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.